All right, y'all, it's time. I thought I had a thing called Willpower, and apparently I don't, especially when it comes to Apple products. So in this video today, I'm going to be ordering the new M1 Mac Mini. I'm just gonna get the base model. There's so much hype about that computer right now. So I just wanna see, is the Mac Mini M1 worth the bucks? And in this process, I'm going to be trading in a 2013 MacBook Pro and see how low we can get the price down on a crazy fast machine that will be available tomorrow for pickup, hopefully, crossing my fingers. Let's go over to the Apple website here. Oh, that looks so spicy, looks so cute. I'm gonna click on buy. I still say the word click, even though I'm tapping on stuff because I guess I'm old school. So let's see, choose your Mac Mini. I just want the base model, which is the 256 gigabyte storage. I'm totally cool with that. I want to use this machine for Final Cut Pro and Ableton Live, and I have plenty of SSDs that I can use eternally. I have plenty of SSDs that I can use externally, and I guess eternally too, if you're thinking more along the Matrix or something. But anyway, I am cool with the straight up base model of the M1 chip Mac Mini. And I'm also going to trade in that MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna get started on the Apple trade-in. Grab your computer, we'll make this quick. I've never actually traded in a computer before on the Apple website. So let's see what this whole process is like. First, who made it? Apple did. Serial number, please. Is this your Mac? Yes. Does it turn on and does the operating system load properly? Yes, it does. Is the enclosure free from signs of warping or swelling? Yes. Is the Mac in good physical shape? Yes. Will you include the power adapter? It's worth more if you do. Yes. Thanks for confirming. So I have a $160 trade-in value on a 2013 MacBook Pro. That's actually more than I thought it would be. The 2013 MacBook Pro I'm trading in, I think cost over $2,000 when it came out in 2013. So it's a little painful to see that it only gets a $160 trade-in value, but it's also 7 years old. And that's a pretty good chunk of change to apply as a discount to the M1 Mac Mini. So that takes the price of the Mac Mini down to $519 after the trade-in is received. That sounds spicy, so I'm gonna select that one. So it's asking me to customize my Mac Mini. I'm cool with the 8 gigabytes. I'm cool with 256 SSD storage. If I did add 16 gigabytes of memory though, which I'm not really convinced that I even need, honestly. Let's see, that would take the price up to $859. You know what? I'm just gonna do the base model. I have a 2019 MacBook Pro that I've been using as my main computer. That only has 8 gigabytes of memory, and that actually does really well with Final Cut Pro and Ableton Live, which are the two main reasons I'm using a computer in the first place. So I'm gonna keep the memory at 8 gigabytes, and for storage, again, I'm just gonna do the base model, so we're just gonna do the 256 gigabytes SSD storage. Pre-installed software, I don't need anything. What's in the box? We got the Mac Mini, we have the power cord, that looks fine. Ooh, it comes with a year of Apple TV Plus for free. Have y'all seen the show Servant on Apple TV Plus, by the way? That show is bonkers. It's so good. It's the best thing I've seen on Apple TV Plus. It's so creepy and twisted. I love it. All right, so all that stuff looks good. I'm gonna add that to my bag. So the wireless keyboard that I'm planning on using with the Mac Mini and the keyboard that I already use with my iPad Pro is the K811 from Logitech. This is cool because I can switch between 3 different devices. I do have to figure out the mouse situation slash trackpad, but I'm also a little concerned about the Bluetooth situation on the Mac Mini that people have been talking about. So now I'm reviewing my bag. We have the Mac Mini, which is $679 with that little education discount. The trade-in is going to be $160, so you can see the price is $519. Everything looks good. So the subtotal is gonna be $679 and the estimated tax is $56, which brings it to $735 minus $160. So including tax, the Mac Mini is going to be $575, and then I'll get an extra 3% back. So 3% of $575 is $17.25, which brings the total down after my Apple Card adjustment to about $558 for a new base model Mac Mini M1. Check out with Apple Pay. Ooh, I'm so excited. Y'all probably already knew that I was gonna get an M1 Mac as soon as I made that video about not getting the M1 Mac. It's processing, it's processing, it's processing. It's like playing the lottery or something, or a slot machine. It's done. So there you have it. I just got the M1 Mac Mini. I am super excited to try out what everyone is saying is like the next generation of Mac computers. And it's a little weird to get like the first generation of a new chip and to be like an early adopter. I'm not usually an early adopter, but I could not resist this time. I'm getting a Mac Mini tomorrow with the M1 chip, and I'm gonna be testing it out with Final Cut Pro, probably Ableton Live, and maybe some other apps. So if you have any suggestions or questions about the Mac Mini M1, let me know in the comments. If there's anything that you want me to try out in particular, comment below and I'll see what I can do about that. Thanks for chilling with me while I bought my new Mac Mini M1. So like and subscribe if you like my vibe. Wow, y'all didn't know I was a poet, did you? And also you can support me by streaming and sharing my music on Apple Music and Spotify. Just search for Ben Aqua and follow me on Spotify. I really appreciate all of your support on there. And you can also check out my merch shop, which is benaqua.shop. It has a bunch of t-shirts and hoodies and art prints, and it's really cute. So be sure to check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.